Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is OBAAPA Kitchen. Thank you so much for stopping by. And today's menu we have fried pie. Guys, if you want to learn how to make this fried pie stuffed with boiled eggs, tuna, don't go nowhere. Look at how tempting it looks. It's gonna be nice. So if you want to learn how to make this beautiful fried pie right here, don't go nowhere. Stay tuned and let's get started. First, you will need all-purpose flour. Second, you're gonna need your margarine. If you don't have margarine, you can use a stick of butter. I have a half teaspoon of nutmeg, and also I have my salt. This is about a pinch of salt. Alright guys, so I have my Starkist Tuna. This is the one that has water in it. Yeah, that is the one that I'm using, and I'm using sunflower oil. And guys, I have my green onion leaves. Yeah, I think that's what we call it. And I'm using some celery. Yeah, if you don't have celery guys, you can use cabbage, yeah, or any vegetable of your choice. And I'm using about half medium red onion. And my seasoning, I'm using turmeric. This is a ground turmeric, and of course my paprika. You guys know how much I love paprika. And to taste, I have about a pinch of salt. So now we are going to start doing the fun part. So we are going to cut all the vegetable into pieces. So I'm going to start with the onion first. Next, we are going to cut our scallion or the green onion leaves. Just make sure you cut them into pieces. After you're done, cut your celery too. Or if you don't have celery, you can cut cabbage. Or if you don't have cabbage, just use whatever you have available. As long as you can add vegetable in it, that is what matters. So I'm going to chop that into pieces as well. So after you cut everything, transfer all the vegetable into one dish. Alright guys, so now in a clean pot, I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of sunflower oil. Okay guys, this oil is very nice, so add 2 tablespoons. And then we are going to add our vegetables. So we are going to fry this vegetable, all of them together. And now I am going to add my seasoning. I have about half teaspoon of turmeric, paprika, and then a pinch of salt. So make sure we mix them very well, or let it cook for about 5 minutes. Alright guys, so after 5 minutes we are going to add our tuna, but this tuna has water in it, and we are not going to dump the water, so make sure you drain the water out before you add your tuna. And then allow it to cook for extra 5 minutes. Then transfer your stuffing or your vegetable or meat or whatever you call it into a clean bowl. Alright guys, so now in the clean pot we are going to add our flour. I'm using my soup spoon. It's about a cup, so I am going to use about 3 soup spoons of flour. And I'm adding my salt. It's about a half teaspoon of salt. Nutmeg, half teaspoon. And I'm adding 1 tablespoon of margarine. If you don't have margarine, you can use butter. Mix them very well. And of course my hands is clean. And guys, I am going to use cold water. Yes, with this, make sure you use cold water. I'm using about 1 cup. So gradually add your cold water until it forms into a dough. Guys, you know it's a lot of work. I know sometimes if you have a mixer, that will be perfect, but hey, we don't have it, so we are using our hands to do. You see how stretchy this dough is? That is what you need. So now I am going to use a very nice and clean plastic wrap. I am going to cover it and then let it sit for about 5 minutes. Alright, so now in the clean surface, you are going to sprinkle a little bit of flour and we are going to work with our dough. So as you can see, I have my dough right here. We're going to stretch it out until we get a very, very thin layer dough, and then we are going to start filling it with the vegetable and then the tuna. So as you can see, what I'm doing in this video, keep working it that way. This dough is very, very stretchy. This is how or what you need. This is perfect for your fly pie. Now I'm using my bowl and I'm going to start filling it with my stuffing or my filling. Now I have cold water, so I'm going to use that cold water to seal my pie, because you don't want your pie to come out when you are frying it. Okay, so this is the perfect time for you to add it all to seal it. So now I am going to do it one more time. So this time I am going to use a boiled egg. Yeah, okay. So now, so you want to add boiled egg, you are free to add it. You add a little bit of your stuffing, and then you add your boiled egg. So wow, this is what it is, guys. Enjoy this pie. Hey, I am rich. It's gonna be very, very rich. As you can see, I don't joke with it. I don't play with my cooking because I love them. So look at how perfect this pie look. And so guys, make sure you add a little bit of your filling and then you add your egg. Yes, if you are a big fan of egg, you know in Ghana they sell this pie with egg too. I remember me and my sister, whenever we go out to buy pie, we always spy the pie sellers and make sure if you see that the middle is a little puff out, it's like it's very, very puffed, you know, then you know that this pie has egg in it. So me and my sister, we always spy before we buy pie, especially the fried ones. We want to make sure that we get the one that have egg in it. So right now, as you can see, guys, I am working my pie and it's looking very, very nice. And follow these steps, you are going to enjoy this pie. As you can see already, it's looking fantastic and beautiful. So now it's time to fry this pie. Make sure your oil is hot. This oil is very hot, as you can see, guys. By the way, it's gonna get there. So let's fry this pie. So how to tell that this pie is done is going to change color. It is going to turn to a golden brown or a yellowish color. Yeah, that's how you got to know that this pie is done. So I will show you when it is ready. Pie ready, and make any veg pie because a surprise pie. Guys, if you are there, surprise your family with dish, surprise your family with food. I mean, let them enjoy their pie, let them enjoy their Ghanaian dish. Ghanaian dish is everywhere. Okay, just enjoy. Look at how nice this pie is. As you can see, it turns golden brown or yellowish color, like yellowish color. That is what you need. So guys, as you can see, my pie is all done. It's looking very yummy. It's looking so nice. I am proud of myself that I did this. I love pie, guys. I love this very much. So thank you so much for watching. And now I am going to cut one of the pie that has eggs in it, so you will see how those eggs came out. So as you can see, it's looking very nice and yummy and crunchy. The inside is very soft and the outside is so crispy. So this is what you need. So thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you on my next video. Thank you so much. Enjoy a real Friday pie puppet. Bye guys.